arts and crafts. It's S-U-M-M-E-R-M. The sun is out, so let's shop what Marco Future is about. S-U-M-M-E-R-M. P-E play Thai language, hey, it's S-U-M-M-E-R time. So let's have fun and end this rhyme. Welcome.
People, Tita, Viva, X, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, strawberry, bananas, cherry, grapes, orange. Yeah. This is ruler. This is a ruler. This is a pencil. This is a pen. Well done. That's what this is a crocodile. Zebra. Sheep. Giraffe. Camel. Frog. Rhino. Horse. What is your name? Good job. What is your name? Well done. What is your name? Huh? Again, what is your name? Okay, thank you, Spider. What is your name? Hello, Diana. What is your name? So quiet. What is your name? Fantastic. And what is your name? Yudo or Yoda? Yudo.